Getting cinematic color grading for your photos doesn't have to be difficult, and you don't need to buy expensive lots just to get cinematic color grading. And the best part of this video is you don't have to move a lot of slider to get that result. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this cinematic color grading in less than 5 minutes. And if you like what you see, you can try it out for yourself as well. Let me show you how to do that from scratch. So this is my rough straight out of camera. I'm just going to color correct this image and start color grading it. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new feed adjustment layer right here instead of Capture One. You can use Lightroom, you can use Camera Raw, whatever works for you. Then I'm just going to come to the high dynamic range, reduce the highlight a little bit because I feel it's too much. Then I'm going to add a bit of contrast to this image. I'm going to come to levels and just move this black inside a little bit to add a bit of contrast like this. And also add a bit of saturation to this image like this. So like this works for me. This is what I'm going to be doing inside of Capture One. And after doing this, I'm just going to copy the same adjustments to this image. So I'm going to copy this adjustment, come to this image and just paste the adjustment. So I'm going to open this two image and just right click and click on edit with, click on Adobe Photoshop, click on edit variant. Once this image opens inside of Photoshop, I'm just going to retouch this image, but this is not a retouching tutorial, so I'm going to skip the retouching part and just go straight to the color grading part. So after doing the skin retouching, this is the before and the after. To color grade this image, I'm going to create a stamp visible layer by pressing Command Option Shift E. Pick my crop tool. I'll first of all crop this image 4:5 like this. Use content aware, click on OK. Now I'm going to come to filter. I'll convert this image for smart filter. Come to filter again, click on Camera Raw filter. And inside of Camera Raw, I'm going to scroll all the way down to calibration and just come to the blue palm array and just move the saturation up for the blue palm array and just play with the hue of this one as well. Like this works for me. Then I'm going to go up, come to this vibrance, increase the vibrance. I'm going to click on OK. To get that cinematic color grading, I'm going to come to my adjustments, come to my color lookup right here. If you can't find your adjustments, click on the adjustment right here, or click on Windows and click on adjustment right here. And I'm going to click on color lookup table, click on load 3D lots. So these are Photoshop inbuilt slots. You don't have to buy the slot. It's inside Photoshop. If you have your own Photoshop, it's going to be there. All right. So we're just going to select this foggy night right here. Once you select it, it's just going to apply that cinematic color grading to our image. But obviously, this is too much. So what we are going to do, we are going to come to the opacity and just take down the opacity until it fits our image. So I think about 70 works for me. See the before and the after. But I feel this image now is not lacking contrast. So to add the contrast, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to my adjustment again, click on curves adjustment, and just come to this black and just push it inside a bit to add contrast like that. That is the trick. Now let me just go by everything so you can see the before and the after, the before and the after. And what you can do, you can just copy this color grade you did for this image by pressing Command C, copy it, come to this other image. I'm going to create a stamp visible layer, come to filter, come to Camera Raw filter, and just apply the previous adjustment I did because I want the whole color to be uniform. I'm going to click on this three dot icon right here, click on apply previous settings to this image like this. See the before and the after. It just apply the color grading we did earlier to this particular image, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I've already copied this adjustment right here, this color grade adjustment. All I have to do is come to this image, press Command V or Control V to paste, I think for Windows, like that. So you can see the before and the after, the before and the after. You can see how easy it is to color grade your image cinematically in less than 5 minutes. Try this out and let me know what you think. And if you want to know how I shot this image using just one light, you can check out this video right here. I broke everything down in details. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.